Welcome to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to replace a damaged VW Audi ignition coil connector housing using part number 4D0-971-994. Notice how this connector is damaged while the other three ignition coil connector housings are still in good condition. For this repair, I'll be using a good used replacement housing, part number 4D0-971-994. This repair can save you from replacing an entire engine harness when only the connector housing is damaged. This is very common on older VW and Audi vehicles due to age and heat exposure. Before installing any used connector housing, inspect it carefully for cracks, broken locking tabs, or terminal damage. Also, before performing any electrical connector repairs, always disconnect the negative battery terminal to help prevent accidental shorts or damage to electrical components. The first step is separating the ignition coil connector from the plastic wire harness cover. This will give us enough access to swap the connector housing. Using a small flat blade screwdriver, carefully remove the purple secondary lock tab. This tab helps prevent the wire terminals from backing out of the connector housing, so be careful not to damage it. Next, carefully remove some of the electrical tape from the wire harness. I'm using a razor blade for this step. Take your time and avoid cutting into the wire insulation underneath. For depinning the connector, I'll be using a Matco Master Depin tool kit, part number Master M23. Tool number 11 works well for removing these wire terminals. If you haven't already done so, make sure the battery negative terminal has been disconnected before working on the electrical system. Now we'll begin transferring the wires one at a time from the damaged connector housing into the replacement housing. I recommend moving only one wire at a time to avoid mixing up the wire locations. As each terminal is installed, listen for an audible click. That click indicates the terminal has locked into position inside the connector housing. While removing the wires, I noticed the red wire insulator was damaged. This likely happened because the original connector housing was broken. I'll be replacing the damaged insulator using one from a spare engine harness. Using a small flat blade screwdriver, carefully install the replacement insulator onto the wire terminal. Work slowly here to avoid tearing or damaging the insulator during installation. With the replacement insulator installed, I can now insert the red wire terminal into the replacement connector housing. Again, listen for the click confirming the terminal is fully locked into place. Now I'll reinstall the purple secondary lock tab. Keep in mind that this lock only installs one way, as shown in the video. If it doesn't slide in easily, double-check the orientation. Before reassembly, perform a light tug test on each wire. This helps verify that all terminals are fully seated and locked into the connector housing. Here's the completed connector housing. All wire terminals and insulators are properly installed, and everything is ready for reassembly. Next, reinstall the connector assembly back into the plastic wire harness cover. Now reconnect all 4 ignition coil connectors. Make sure each connector is fully seated and locked onto the ignition coils. That's it for this VW, Audi ignition coil connector housing replacement. I hope this tutorial helped you save some time and money. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more VW and Audi repair tips, diagnostics, and tech tutorials.